Hi, I'm going to show you how to link your jigs together using our Go to Jig action functionality. In front of me is a jig that has 7 steps showing a process of a centrifuge separating plasma from blood platelets. And every jig has a unique sharing link. And it's the easiest way to kind of share your jig with someone else, but also to link it inside another jig. By copying the link, to link it in another jig, all you need to do is then go to your next, the file that you want to link to your jig, and open it up, and I'll show you that now. So in front of me now is a jig with lots of models in it. You can see here it's a selection of laboratory equipment. Now each of these is going to go to a different jig, and the example I'll show you now is this blood centrifuge here. It's just a static model here, so I want to add an action to it. Now the actions you can add are going to another step within this presentation, going to a URL, and this new one is Go to Jig on Vision Pro. If you select that, you then just need to enter a jig link. I'm going to paste in the link that I've just copied from the previous jig I was in, and then I'm going to hit Add to All Objects, and you'll see here there's a little bit of feedback here that tells you as the editor of this jig that this object has an action on it, and you can see it there. If you need to edit or delete, you can do that in the Object Properties panel. Once you save it, you can instantly preview it on Vision Pro, and it's as simple as that.